So for this video, guys, we're going to look at the fake screen wheel at the Gun Devils Y off week. We're going to use the same exact principle and the same exact type of setup in a play at the Gun Devils halfback week. So we can show you that you can do the same thing in two different plays for this guide, okay? So I'll do that later in this video. So all we're going to do for this play is put the X on a streak, put the RB on a wheel, and we're going to motion the A over, and I like to put the B on an in. It doesn't have to be because he's really not part of the play, but as long as we put him on an in, that'll still help your player be a little bit more likely to stay in the middle of the field. But look what happens on cover two when we do something like this. I'm just going to baseline, and I'll put these guys in deep blue so you can see it. Watch what happens to this RB. He's going to go all the way up the field, and they're going to man activate, and you're going to be able to throw it to him for an easy 25-yard gain, okay? I'm going to show you what happens. We're just using man activation principles on the wheel and the streak, but it's nice because we've got this player on the same side that it's not going to look any different than any of the plays that we've done when we motion that tight end over. They're trying to figure out what's going on. A lot of times this is going to look like it's going to be a table route. Then we're going to go up the field with it. You can throw this at any time, but you want to wait until this number 24 here turns his back and goes up the field. A lot of times what you're going to see is when 31 goes ahead and turns his back and goes up the field, you know they're going to do man activation because of the fact that he's going to go with that player. This guy's going to go with that player. You're going to see they're going to keep on running. We're going to leave this guy open behind them for the good yardage, right? So that's kind of what I'm looking for on that play. And basically, I'll leave the mid read on it this time. Again, move this guy over, put the B on an in, wheel, streak. That's the way it's going to look. Again, you're going to see here, we can always throw it to this B underneath if you need to, but the RB is where you're going to get your play. This time we're able to get roughly 35 yards because we went ahead and left, took a little bit longer to throw. And I know that this is a safe throw because this guy is man activated. When he's man activated, that basically means that he's going to cover him man to man over here, which he's not going to react to the ball the way zone does. Watch, this ball is in the air already. Look how long it takes him to react to the ball. It's because he's in man coverage. He's not in zone. And that's going to be the difference here. Because he man activates, you're going to get that option. Now, I want to go to a play here called Rub Wheel. I put it in the audibles. For Gun Devils halfback week, we've shown you a lot of different ways with it. Same exact setup. X streak, RB wheel, move this guy over, put him on a block, put the B on an in. Same difference, right? It's going to work exactly the same way. I'm just going to get these guys in a typical cover two. And you're going to see that the RB is going to go up the field. You're going to be able to wait, throw it to him. That guy is not going to come back on it. Once you know you've got him, right? He's not coming back to that ball. You're going to have a lot of success with that when it comes to cover two.